It is very easy to create a VPS with HokoCloud. First, you need to load your wallet with a balance equivalent to 1 month of VPS usage. Then, go to the left side tab and click on the New Hoko VPS option. You can choose one of the 3 types of VPSs that we propose. The basic version, we recommend using 1 to 3 MT4 or MT5 platforms. In the advanced version, we recommend using 4 to 6 MT4 or MT5 platforms. And in the Pro version, we suggest up to 15 MT4 or MT5 platforms. Pay attention to the capacity of the VPS if you install any robot. If the robot is too heavy, it can crash your VPS. Once you have chosen your VPS plan, you must choose the desired geographical location. This should be as close to your Exchange's server location as possible for minimal latency. Our support team can help you choose your preferred location. After choosing the location of your VPS, just press the Create button. After 5 to 10 minutes, your VPS is available on your My VPS page on your left. Among our unique features, you have the letter I that indicates your VPS access data, the key that allows you to reset its password, a reset button, and emergency stop mechanism. If you want to delete your VPS, just click on the trash can icon. Inside the VPS, you also have an auto restart mechanism for your platforms. You just need to drag your shortcut to the auto start folder.